Hello, here we are back again for another, excuse me, got a bit of a croaky throat, CSS battle on the 26th of March today. And first looks, it's not too bad, I guess. I think we can get away with, I don't know if I can get away with doing a semicircle arrow after a full circle, but anyway, I think I've been watching a couple of videos, and I don't know if I've got a few little hints and tips to shorten my characters as much as possible. I know before I was using classes a lot, whereas I think a lot of people use IDs because ID is shorter than class in characters. So first of all, let's just do the usual, set the background, and then I think I might just go ahead and just create a standard circle here. So let's give this an ID of C, and then we can do C, width I'd say 150. We're going to change the background, oops, get rid of the hash. We're going to take border radius, be 50%, so the height needs to be 150 as well. Okay, and I'm going to set this to position of absolute, I think, and just bring that down to the bottom straight away. Okay, yeah, something like that. Left 100, 20, let's get a compare going. Is that going to work? Let's see. We'll definitely have to get a bigger width than that. Okay, that's not far off. I think I might get this now. I always struggle with these circles. Let's have a look. The height is correct. Width needs to be 190. I think we might have it. Got 105. That is. Oh no. Okay, we're just going to be off again, isn't it? Let me try the semicircle. So the width is correct, but the height we can make 95, and then no. Okay, is that going to be better? That might be it. And then let's just copy and paste these divs. So target B, which is going to be the bottom one, we're going to set a width of 200 and a height of 50 for now. Background, we're going to do linear gradient. I put a space there, let me get rid of that. To left. And then how do we do this again? It goes that from 0 to, I don't know, 30 pixels. Then you want that, and that goes 30 pixels to, let's say 120 pixel. And then that from 120 pixel. Is there a reason why we can't see that here? What have I done? Ah, there you go. I'm wondering if this position absolute is actually creating more characters for myself, but I'm going to have to go with it now, for now. And we can try and reduce it later maybe. Okay, we're getting closer. Let's make that 40 pixels. 60. Oh, wait. From, there's 2 left, isn't it? Okay. Almost there. Let's try that 50 and that 50. Okay, we've got the starting point. Ooh. Okay, we actually got that bang on. Now we want another one of these, and we're just going to give this L for the line down the middle. Get rid of that, and then we can target L. The only thing I'm worried about is, again, is this circle. Not sure that's quite correct, but I might have to deal with that later. This one's going to have a width of 30 and a height of 200. Position absolute again, and the background is going to be another linear gradient. We don't need to specify because it goes from top to bottom by default, I believe. So top color is going to be that, followed by that. Okay, we can see it there. And that's going to go from 0 to 40 pixel. And this is 40 pixel. Let's go 60, just eyeballing at the moment. From the top, we're going to go 100, roughly. And then from the left, we're going to go 100. No, we're going to go 180. Okay, close. 185 for now. Okay, nice. So it's just the height. 141. Okay. That might have to be it for me, but that circle is annoying. Very annoying. Submit that, see what percentage it gives us. Yeah, 99.9% match. That is very annoying. Is there anything I can do? Okay, I'll be back once I've minimized all this and we can see how much of a score we can get. Okay, we're back for the final score. Let's have a look. Yeah, it hasn't changed much, unfortunately, because I can't get the 100%. Let's have a look at the global. 54% success rate. Okay, I've got higher than the average score. Oh well. That's a no. That's the first one I haven't got 100%, but there we go. I'll leave it like that for today, and I'll see you for tomorrow's daily target.